Hello everyone and welcome. What we can't complain about today is the weather. Absolutely perfect playing conditions. I'm your match commentator Derek Ray, and my partner ready to bring you all the analysis and technical talk is Stuart Robson. And we have live Primera action coming your way next. Stuart, how do you see this one going?
Well, thanks, Derek. The best coach I played under would always tell us before kick-off, earn the right to play. If you can win your individual battles, outrun your opponent, eventually you'll get the space to show your ability. I'm sure that's being echoed by the coaches here today.
It might be on for them. Chance to take the lead. In it goes. An early goal. No wonder they're celebrating.
Well, here we can see it again, and it's all about the pace of the passing. One touch, slick movement, and then through on goal, he just goes for power and smashes it past the keeper. There's no stopping that. What a great finish.
Well, the ball is moving once more. How important will that opening goal prove to be? I must say, this looks promising. Intercepting it intelligently. Disappointing pass. Making excellent progress with the ball at his feet. Crossing opportunity. He might yet finish. Still trailing, but they're upping the pressure. Can they square the game? And a goal! To level this contest, all even.
Well, here we can see it again, and he does so well to skip beyond the defender. It just buys him that bit of time to get his shot away. That's a really nice goal.
So underway again here on the back of that leveller. Really well played pass. Nouri. Well, unable to bend his run, offside. Machado. Well, they keep working away, looking for passing lanes. Preferring to go infield. Chance to put them in front. That's great goalkeeping.
Well, what a save that is. He was so alert there.
Trying to deliver it accurately. Well, they couldn't take advantage of the chance. Will it happen for them? And a timely intervention. And the counter-attack is on. Options available. Now what can they do from here? And continues his run. Opportunity, maybe. Well, a chance here, perhaps, to invigorate their aerial targets.
Well, they haven't created too much lately, but the fans know this is a chance to take the lead here.
So the corner played into the box. Clattered away. Now he must favour the cross. It's there for him. And a goal to re-establish their advantage. Just look at the celebrations.
Well, he puts it away really well, as you can see, but you'd expect him to score from that range, but they all count.
Well, 2-1 it is here. Really a very poor ball.